Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enter BIOS on LENOVO V15. In order to do this, you're gonna have to power your device on by short pressing the power button and then start repeatedly pressing F2 button before it starts booting up, and just wait until the BIOS menu appears on your screen. You can navigate between tabs using right and left arrow keys. You can navigate between options with down and up arrow keys. You can select with enter and then change the value by selecting a different one. If you want to exit, you can either go to the exit tab and select one of these options. If you want to restore default settings, press F9 and then confirm. If you want to save and exit, press F10, and if you want to exit without saving, press escape. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.